Today, we review the best lavalier mic that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. Moving into a bit pricier territory, let's talk about the marvelous Pro 70 from the renowned gurus at Audio-Technica. They simply can't disappoint, even if they tried. The manufacturer is one of the leading acts in the world of microphone, so it's somewhat obvious that one of their products had to be included here. The Pro 70 is a sturdy, well-built piece of gear that will last for eons and always provide you with excellent performance. It is actually a small condenser microphone which sounds great both for vocal performances and instruments.
Number 4.
Purple Panda Lavalier Lapel Microphone Kit. The package itself is quite neat, and it includes a pouch for all the goodies. Among the accessories you'll find a TRS adapter and a mini USB adapter, which is highly convenient for connecting to various devices such as cameras, smartphones, GoPro cameras, and whatnot. There is a 9.8 feet extension cord so you can move around freely, and there are 2 clips in the package, just in case one gets broken. They are both quite sturdy and hold the microphone firmly in place once it is attached to a piece of garment.
Number 5.
Sony ECMCS3. This is a piece of high-quality equipment, designed exclusively for speech recording. That being said, it won't greet you with any additional gimmicks and accessories. You just get the mic, a clip, and the cable, and that's it. It may not be among the best clip-on mics in the world, as it's far below that price range, but it is quite a respectable little thing. It's characterized by a minimalist styling that will look good with any outfit.